This dish isn't just about the ingredients, it's about the story they tell. The rich heritage of Cajun cuisine, the love of bold flavors, and the warmth of a shared meal. Cajun fried rice with andouille sausage isn't just a recipe, it's an invitation to enjoy the soul of Southern cooking in every spoonful. It's a meal that hits all the right notes, comforting, flavorful, and exciting all at once. Picture yourself in a cozy kitchen, the sizzle of hot oil filling the air as the rich aroma of andouille sausage begins to waft up from the skillet. The sausage crisps up in the pan, its oils releasing into the mix, creating the perfect foundation for a hearty dish. The heat intensifies as you throw in a handful of veggies, the colorful vegetables adding a hint of sweetness to the savory base. Then, you add day-old rice, the perfect vehicle for soaking up all those rich flavors. You toss the rice, making sure each grain gets coated with the sausage juices and spices. The heat from the pan brings it all together, the flavors melding beautifully as the rice turns golden and aromatic. You reach for the spices: smoked paprika, cayenne, thyme, and a little garlic powder, each one evoking the bold, smoky flavors of Cajun cooking. You give the dish a final stir, a quick taste to check for seasoning, and maybe a sprinkle of green onions or a handful of chopped parsley for a fresh pop of color. Whether you're serving it as a side dish to grilled meats or as a hearty main, this Cajun fried rice is a celebration of Southern flavors that will transport you straight to the heart of Louisiana with every bite.